Hello everyone. Welcome to the Carrot IT's Industry Solution Walkthrough. Farming isn't just a business, it's a way of life. But managing your farm shouldn't feel like a battle. If you're struggling to manage seasonal farming cycles, track seeds and fertilizers, or deal with changing crop demands, and what about your labor forces? Are you still trying to connect your actual input cost to the final harvest? Guys, without proper tracking, it's nearly impossible. So, guys, I'm Neha introducing to you Carrot IT's Agriculture ERP module, a complete solution designed to simplify challenges. Challenges related to season based planning tailored to different crops, climates, and locations. Smart inventory tracking, see exactly what went where, and your labor cost and other cost of production as well. It has real time reporting to take fast, informed decisions on the farms as well. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's made for agriculture. Are you curious to see it in action? Let's head straight into the system and take a closer look at how this app will transform your agriculture management into a do. First, create the master data into the system. So when you create a new record, here you will have multiple checkboxes. So based on to these preferences, you can select fertilizer, pesticide, or it is a crop, or it is a seed. Based on to this selection, it will be listed out further into the agriculture application. Now, crop season is certainly a crop production form. When you open this crop season form, you can see here there are three stages which actually indicates if this crop season has started, if it is into progress, or it has been ended. Later on, we have what is the period of this particular crop season, which crop will be cultivated into this crop season, and the farmers, field managers involved into the cultivation. Again, we have the details related to what is the expected output at the end of this crop season. Coming to the farms tab, here user can add onto which particular farm and what is the cultivated area of this particular farm will be used for the production, or we can see into what particular area the cultivation will be done into this farm. Then comes the crop growing section. Here I can add what is the actual production received against this cultivation into the crop season and what is the quantity of the production received. Here I also get an option to add into which particular warehouse and warehouse location I can store this production output. Later on, moving further, if there are any field visits and the reports related to the field visits, if it is a preventive or a corrective measure suggested by the agro scientist, all the details can be added into the field visit section. We all know there are multiple phases involved into the crop cultivation. User can create tasks tailored to each phases into the crop season section. Here, they will be able to effectively monitor the progress of each activity while managing deadlines seamlessly. Similarly, the user can also track the diseases and the crop issues. They can track the occurrence date, the end date of the diseases and the issues, and the inventory or the production lost due to these reasons. Season budgets can be utilized to add the budgets for this particular crop cultivation based on to certain budget parameters. So these budget parameters can be utilized to define the specific amount of budget or the quantity of budget for different activities into the crop cultivation. Later on, coming to the soil analysis, here the user can add the soil analysis which they will be doing based on to the periodic system, and they can add here the physical indicators, the biological indicators, and the chemical indicators of the soil. Based on to these parameters, they can have the complete soil quality test and the soil quality reports. Likewise, we also have the water analysis report into the crop season. The labor cost, acid cost, electricity cost, and other miscellaneous cost can be associated with this particular crop season. Here you can see the smart buttons which will have the reference to the bills which are associated with different cost centers. total income, system will also calculate the profits and the losses which are incurred into this particular crop season.